Welcome back to App Verdict. If you are tired of paying monthly hosting fees and you are sick of building affiliate sites that get zero traffic, pay close attention. Today, we are looking at a brand new software called SiteFlow. SiteFlow claims you can paste one single affiliate link and their AI will build, host, and promote an entire website for you in 60 seconds. No tech skills needed, no ad budget required. But does it actually work, or is it just another overhyped gimmick? In this video, I am going to show you exactly what is inside the dashboard. I will break down the upgrades so you know what to buy and what to skip. Plus, if you stick around, I'm going to reveal my exclusive App Verdict bonus package. I put together 10 custom bonuses that fix the biggest hidden flaws in SiteFlow, and you get them completely free when you click the link in the description below. Let's get straight into the quick verdict. SiteFlow is incredibly powerful for one main reason. You get lifetime cloud hosting for a one-time fee. That alone makes it worth grabbing just to ditch your expensive monthly hosting bills. The AI site builder is fast, and the fact that it pulls content every single day is a huge time saver. However, do not expect to just push a button and become a millionaire. To actually make money with this, you need to capture the traffic it generates and turn those visitors into email leads. That's exactly why I built my custom bonus stack, which we'll cover in a few minutes. So what exactly is SiteFlow and who is it for? SiteFlow is a cloud-based 3-in-1 affiliate machine. It uses advanced AI models to write search-optimized content for your site every single day. It connects with over 100 affiliate networks like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Amazon, and JVZoo. Once your site is live, SiteFlow automatically pushes your pages out to over 400 traffic sources while generating fresh content daily to help you rank in Google. It even handles all the boring legal compliance stuff automatically.
Imagine if minutes from now you could paste one affiliate link into a box and have a complete, fully hosted and monetized affiliate website already pulling traffic from 400 plus sources while you close your laptop and walk away. No domain to buy or hosting to configure. No WordPress to install. Everything is included. 1. Done for you content. 2. Designer, logos, graphics, images. 3. Unlimited free traffic. All you have to do, just paste your link. That is the entire job. Copy it, paste it, done. Now you've probably heard about AI affiliate site builders before. You've probably heard about traffic software before. You've probably heard about lifetime hosting before. But trust me when I say it, you've never seen all three welded together into one machine like this one, ever. That's for 2 reasons. Reason number 1. This runs on real infrastructure, not somebody's rented API key. We've been hosting affiliate websites for over 50,000 customers for the past 10 years. We're still in business today, hosting hundreds of thousands of websites, a full decade later. Those sites get traffic daily and pay our customers commissions like clockwork. We're here to stay, and your sites are safe with us. That's right. Next generation affiliate sites with built-in hosting that beats anything else on the market, your own domain, your own cPanel access, and none of the ridiculous monthly fees. Pay once, use forever. And here's where SiteFlow separates itself from every Amazon site builder you've ever been pitched. Because SiteFlow doesn't just do Amazon, eBay, ClickBank, Warrior Plus, JVZoo, Launchpad, plus 94 additional networks. Think about what that actually means for you. Every offer you already promote, every network you already have an account with. SiteFlow builds a complete site around it. Physical products, digital products, software launches, recurring subscriptions. You're not stuck begging for 4% Amazon commissions anymore. Point it at a 75% ClickBank offer and it builds the site for that instead. One keyword in, one complete affiliate business out. Reason number 2, the traffic problem is solved inside the same box. This is where every other tool leaves you standing in the rain. They build you a gorgeous site and then silence. No visitors. A perfect storefront in the middle of a desert. Not here. SiteFlow pushes your site out to 400 plus unique traffic sources, automatically, daily, in any niche, without you writing a single word or spending a single cent on ads. The AI finds which of those 400 plus sources actually match your offer, then blasts your site to all of them at once. Red-hot buyer traffic globally on full autopilot, and it's all powered by the two most advanced AI models on the planet right now, ChatGPT 5.6 Soul and Claude Opus 5, built directly into your dashboard. Here's everything they handle for you the second you hit go. Build a complete affiliate website from a single keyword. Register your domain and set up your hosting, cPanel included. Design the site, generate your logo, create every graphic and image. Write fresh, original, search-optimized content every day. Auto-insert your affiliate link across the entire site. Connect to 100 plus affiliate networks, including Amazon, ClickBank, eBay, Launchpad, and 96 more. Monetize daily, offer placement, calls to action, all automatic. Distribute to 400 plus traffic sources on autopilot. Keep you 100% compliant out of the box, GDPR ADA. Update itself 24/7 with new content and new products every hour. Setting up a website the old school way is difficult, time-consuming, and let's be honest, frustrating. Domain, hosting, WordPress, theme, plugins, logo, images, content, SEO, then months of praying for traffic that may never arrive. Most people quit somewhere around week 3. SiteFlow collapses every bit of that into 60 seconds and one pasted link. 3 steps. Step 1, paste your affiliate link. Step 2, watch SiteFlow build it, host it, fill it with products and content, and promote it for you. There is no step 3. That means not getting SiteFlow today means you'd be making a massive disservice to yourself. Don't let this one slip past you. 3-in-1 affiliate site builder, hosting and traffic has never been done before. All fully powered by the latest AIS, Claude Opus 5, and ChatGPT 5.6 Soul. This is your opportunity. Click the buy button below to get started. Welcome to the future. Welcome to SiteFlow.
Now, let's talk about the upgrades. The front-end software is only $17. For $17, grabbing lifetime hosting and the core AI builder is a no-brainer. But to get the real power out of this system, I highly recommend picking up OTO 1, which is the Pro Unlimited upgrade for $36.93. The front end has some limits, but the Pro version unlocks unlimited everything. It also gives you commercial rights, meaning you can build and sell these sites to local clients and keep 100% of the profits. Another upgrade to look out for is OTO 2, the Enterprise Edition, for $26.93. This includes a built-in autoresponder, so you can email your leads without paying monthly fees to companies like Aweber or GetResponse. Now let's talk about the bonuses. Like I mentioned earlier, SiteFlow is great at getting traffic, but you need tools to capture that traffic and force them to buy. When you pick up SiteFlow through the link in my description below, you'll get exclusive access to my App Verdict Ultimate Bonus Stack. Here are the 10 bonuses you are getting for free today. Bonus number 1 is Keyword Research Ninja 2.0. This tool finds the exact buyer keywords you need to plug into SiteFlow so you only attract people ready with their credit cards. Bonus number 2 is Trend Presser plugin. This lets you ride massive viral trends to siphon organic traffic before your competitors even know what's happening. Bonus number 3 is Article Analyzer. You can run your AI-generated content through this tool to optimize it for the top spots on Google. Bonus number 4 is PowerList Pro. This adds high-converting entry and exit pop-ups to your SiteFlow sites so you build an email list on complete autopilot. Bonus number 5 is Two-Step Opt-in Generator. This gives you professionally designed affiliate pages to boost your conversion rates instantly. Bonus number 6 is Lead Book Generator. This easily integrates Facebook lead ads with your autoresponder to flood your list with fresh buyers. Bonus number 7 is Coupon Wheel. This engages your visitors by letting them spin a fortune wheel for a discount. It's an instant pattern interrupt that stops people from leaving your site. Bonus number 8 is White Tip Video Focus. This clips a video and floats it on the screen as your visitor scrolls down reading your AI content, keeping them engaged longer. Bonus number 9 is Conversion Equalizer. This automatically plugs the leaks in your affiliate campaigns to boost your conversion ratios to the highest possible level. Bonus number 10 is Action Stimulator. This creates real-time notifications on your site to motivate users to take action and click your affiliate links. These 10 bonuses are designed to turn your automated SiteFlow pages into a highly profitable business. Here's my final verdict. SiteFlow is launching today, and right now you can get in for that tiny one-time fee of $17. But the price is going up, and once the launch ends, it will turn into a monthly subscription. Plus, my custom app verdict bonuses are strictly limited to the first 50 buyers. Once those spots are gone, I'm pulling the bonus page down. Don't miss out on lifetime hosting and an automated traffic machine. Click the first link in the description below to secure your copy of SiteFlow and instantly claim all 10 of my exclusive bonuses. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button, leave a comment if you have any questions, and make sure to subscribe to App Verdict for more honest reviews and marketing strategies. Once you purchase through my link, your bonuses will be waiting for you automatically inside your Warrior Plus receipt area. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.